a good investment? Exploring the rise of NFTs and how to invest in them. Welcome to our video on the rise of NFTs and how to invest in them. You may have heard about NFTs in the news recently and wondered what they are and whether they're a good investment. In this video, we'll explore the basics of NFTs, why they've gained so much attention, and how you can invest in them. We'll also discuss the risks and potential rewards of investing in NFTs and share some tips for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of NFTs and be equipped with the knowledge to make informed investment decisions. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. So let's get started. What are NFTs and how do they work? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, which are interchangeable with each other and have the same value, NFTs are unique and one of a kind, and each NFT has its own specific value. NFTs can represent a wide range of digital assets, such as artwork, music, videos, and even tweets. They are created using smart contracts on a blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. When you purchase an NFT, you're essentially buying a unique digital asset that is verified on the blockchain. This means that you have proof of ownership, and that the NFT is authentic and cannot be replicated or duplicated. You can also transfer, trade, or sell your NFT to someone else, just like you would with a physical asset. One of the key features of NFTs is that they enable creators to monetize their digital content in a new way. Artists, musicians, and other content creators can sell their digital creations as NFTs, which allows them to retain ownership and control over their work, while also receiving payment for its use. In conclusion, NFTs are a new and exciting way to own, trade, and invest in unique digital assets. They're created using blockchain technology and can represent a wide range of digital content. By buying NFTs, you can own a unique piece of digital content and have proof of ownership, while also supporting the creators and artists behind the content. Why have NFTs gained so much attention? NFTs have gained a lot of attention in recent years due to their unique features and the potential for creators and investors to profit from them. NFTs allow creators to monetize their digital content in a new and innovative way, and offer investors the opportunity to own unique and valuable digital assets. One of the key reasons for the popularity of NFTs is the rise of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions securely and transparently and provides proof of ownership for digital assets. NFTs are created using blockchain technology, which means that they offer a new level of security and transparency for digital assets. Another reason for the popularity of NFTs is the growing interest in digital art and collectibles. With NFTs, creators can sell their digital artwork and collectibles as unique, one-of-a-kind assets that have value and can be traded and sold just like physical assets. This has led to a boom in the digital art market and has opened up new opportunities for artists and collectors alike. Finally, the rise of NFTs can be attributed to the growing interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. NFTs offer a new way for investors to diversify their portfolio and invest in unique, high-value assets. This has led to a surge in demand for NFTs, with some selling for millions of dollars at auction. In conclusion, NFTs have gained a lot of attention due to their unique features and potential for creators and investors alike. They offer a new level of security and transparency for digital assets and have opened up new opportunities for artists, collectors, and investors in the digital world. If you're finding this video informative and useful, please support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment below, and subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. Now, let's move on to the next point. What are the potential risks of investing in NFTs? While NFTs offer unique investment opportunities, there are also potential risks associated with investing in them. One of the biggest risks is the lack of regulation in the NFT market. Since the market is relatively new and unregulated, there is a risk of fraud, scams, and market manipulation. Another risk is the potential for high volatility in the NFT market. NFT prices can be highly volatile, with prices rising and falling rapidly based on market demand and other factors. This can lead to significant losses for investors who aren't prepared for the risks involved. Additionally, the value of NFTs can be subjective, and there may not always be a clear market for them. Unlike physical assets that have a well-established market and price history, NFTs can be difficult to value, and there may not always be a buyer willing to pay the asking price. Finally, there is a risk of technological obsolescence in the NFT market. As technology advances, the value of NFTs may decrease, and they may become obsolete as new and better technologies emerge. In conclusion, while NFTs offer unique investment opportunities, there are also potential risks involved, such as lack of regulation, high volatility, subjective value, and technological obsolescence. It's important to carefully research and evaluate NFT projects before investing, and to be prepared for the risks involved. What are the potential rewards of investing in NFTs? While there are potential risks associated with investing in NFTs, there are also potential rewards for investors who are willing to do their research and take calculated risks. One of the biggest potential rewards is the potential for significant profits. NFTs have already seen some impressive returns for early investors, with some selling for millions of dollars at auction. Another potential reward is the unique and innovative nature of NFTs. With NFTs, investors can own unique and valuable digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded just like physical assets. This opens up new investment opportunities and provides a new level of diversification for investors. Additionally, NFTs offer new and exciting opportunities for creators, such as artists and musicians, to monetize their digital content. This can lead to new and innovative forms of content creation, and can help to support and empower creators in new ways. Finally, the rise of NFTs can be seen as a sign of the growing acceptance and integration of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies into the mainstream. As the market for NFTs continues to grow, it may lead to increased acceptance and adoption of blockchain and cryptocurrency technology more broadly. In conclusion, while there are potential risks associated with investing in NFTs, there are also significant potential rewards, such as the potential for significant profits, unique and innovative investment opportunities, new monetization opportunities for creators, and increased acceptance and adoption of blockchain technology. As with any investment, it's important to carefully research and evaluate NFT projects before investing. How to buy and sell NFTs. Buying and selling NFTs can be done through various online marketplaces, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperR. To get started, you will need to create an account on one or more of these platforms and connect your digital wallet, such as MetaMask or Meta Wallet. You will also need to have cryptocurrency, such as E3TH, to make purchases. Once you have set up your account and connected your wallet, you can browse the available NFTs and place bids or buy them outright. Some NFTs are sold at fixed prices, while others are auctioned off to the highest bidder. The process of buying and selling NFTs is similar to buying and selling physical assets, with bids and asks determining the market price. It's important to note that the market for NFTs can be highly volatile, with prices rising and falling rapidly based on market demand and other factors. It's important to carefully research and evaluate NFT projects before investing, and to be prepared for the risks involved. In conclusion, buying and selling NFTs can be done through online marketplaces, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperR. To get started, you will need to create an account and connect your digital wallet. The process of buying and selling NFTs is similar to buying and selling physical assets, with bids and asks determining the market price. It's important to carefully research and evaluate NFT projects before investing, and to be prepared for the risks involved. How to store and protect your NFT investments. Once you've invested in NFTs, it's important to store and protect them to prevent loss or theft. Unlike physical assets, NFTs exist solely in digital form and can be vulnerable to hacking or other cyber threats. The first step in protecting your NFT investments is to store them in a secure digital wallet. This can be done by connecting your NFT marketplace account to a digital wallet that supports it, such as MetaMask or Mater Wallet. It's important to choose a reputable and secure wallet and to store your private keys in a safe place. Another way to protect your NFT investments is to be aware of potential scams and phishing attacks. NFT marketplaces can be targeted by scammers and hackers who may try to steal your login information or access to your digital wallet. It's important to be cautious and to only click on links or download files from trusted sources. Finally, it's important to consider the long-term storage and preservation of your NFT investments. Unlike physical assets, digital assets can deteriorate or become obsolete over time. It's important to consider the longevity and sustainability of the NFT project before investing, and to ensure that your NFTs are stored in a secure and reliable manner. In conclusion, storing and protecting your NFT investments is essential to prevent loss or theft. This can be done by storing your NFTs in a secure digital wallet, being aware of potential scams and phishing attacks, and considering the long-term storage and preservation of your NFTs. As with any investment, it's important to do your research and take precautions to protect your assets. How to research and evaluate NFT projects. When it comes to investing in NFTs, doing your research and due diligence is essential. There are thousands of NFT projects out there, and it can be challenging to know which ones are worth investing in. To research and evaluate NFT projects, start by looking at the project's white paper. The white paper should outline the project's purpose, goals, and technology. It should also provide information on the team behind the project and their experience in the industry. Next, research the community behind the project. Look for active social media channels, community forums, and other platforms where the project's community is engaged. Evaluate the level of engagement and the sentiment of the community. You should also evaluate the project's technology and its potential for adoption. Look for projects that have unique and innovative technology and that have the potential to solve real-world problems. Finally, consider the project's long-term sustainability and viability. Look at the project's roadmap, development updates, and partnerships to determine whether the project is likely to succeed over the long term. In conclusion, researching and evaluating NFT projects is essential to making informed investment decisions. To do this, start by reviewing the project's white paper and researching the community behind the project. Evaluate the project's technology and potential for adoption, and consider its long-term sustainability and viability. As with any investment, it's important to do your research and take a cautious and informed approach. Tips for beginners looking to invest in NFTs. If you're new to investing in NFTs, it can be a daunting task to know where to start. However, there are some tips you can follow to help you get started with investing in NFTs. First, start with a small investment. As with any new investment, it's best to start with a small amount of money to minimize your risk. As you become more comfortable with the market, you can increase your investment. Next, do your research. As we discussed earlier, it's essential to research and evaluate NFT projects before investing. Look for projects with a strong team, innovative technology, and a growing community. It's also important to have a strategy in place. Consider your investment goals and develop a plan for buying and selling it. Determine how long you plan to hold your investments and set price targets for buying and selling. Be prepared to be patient. NFTs are a relatively new market, and it may take time for your investments to appreciate in value. Don't panic if you don't see immediate gains. Finally, be prepared for the risks. As we discussed earlier, investing in NFTs can be risky, and it's important to be prepared for the potential losses. Only invest money that you can afford to lose, and always practice caution and diligence. In conclusion, if you're a beginner looking to invest in NFTs, start with a small investment. Do your research, have a strategy in place, be patient, and be prepared for the risks. With careful planning and diligence, Investing in can be a profitable and rewarding experience. In conclusion, NFTs are a new and exciting investment opportunity that is gaining a lot of attention in the market. While they offer the potential for high returns, it's important to do your research and be aware of the potential risks before investing. As we discussed, NFTs are a complex and evolving market, and it's crucial to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments. By following the tips we discussed, you can begin to navigate this market with confidence and make informed investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in understanding the basics of investing in NFTs. Good luck with your investments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.